Hello dear my students, good morning to all. Welcome to our online computer class. Let's open your computer book Cyber Hub Standard 3 page number 45. So today I will teach you changing font size and font color. Means how can you change the style and size and color of the text. Okay. So dear my students, you can get the option of font size and font color in the font group of Home tab. Previous chapter I have told you about different tab and group also. So you can get that option in the font group of Home tab. Okay. Here you see it is the font type option, and it is the font size option, and it is the font color option. Okay, so let's start changing the font. How can we change the style of the text? So follow the steps given here. We can follow these steps. Step 1 is select the text for which you want to set a new font. So your first step is you select the text. Okay. Then step 2 is click on the drop down menu arrow of the font type box in the font group. So your second step is click on the drop down arrow. Here you see it is the option of font type, and it is its drop down arrow. Okay, it is font size option, and it is its drop down arrow. Okay, so you click on drop down arrow and you will get so many options or so many different style. So you choose one style and click on it. Okay, then step 3, select the font style that you wish to apply to your text. So you select, then click on it. After click on it or select the style, your selected text will be changed into new style. Okay, now come to changing the font size. How can you change the font size? Means how can you change the size of the text? Okay, step 1, select the text. So your first step is select the text. Then step 2, click on the drop down menu arrow of the font size box in the font group. So your step 2 is click on the drop down arrow of the font size. Okay, then step 3, select the font size for your text from the list that appears. So when you click on the font size or drop down arrow of the font size, you get many options like 22 or 32, 33, 34, like that. So you choose one option. Okay, then when you click on one option, suppose 38, so after that your text will be changed. Now changing the font color. How can you change the color of the text? Okay, step 1, select the text. Your first step is select the text. Step 2, click on the drop down menu arrow of the font color it is the option of font color or symbol of font color. So click on the drop down menu arrow of the font color button in the font group. So it is the drop down arrow of font color. So you click on it. Then step 3, select the color of your choice for the text. Then you choose the color. Suppose you choose green color, then your selected text will be changed into green color. Okay. So dear my students, today your homework is you will read the changing the font, changing the font size and changing the font color 2 times. You just remember that steps. How can you change the font style, how can you change the font size and font color. Okay. If you have laptop or computer, then you can try on it. Okay. Thank you my dear students.